Hey Stush Gang, welcome back to another Slay with Stushy. So I'm here today to share with you guys what I got in my Boxycharm box for the month of April. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. If you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and leave your girl a big thumbs up if you enjoy these Boxycharm unboxings. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So I'm perched on my bed because if you watched my recent video, my Sephora VIB sale haul, then you know I'm not feeling all that great today, but still we move. We have to get the job done. We have to get to work. So that's why I'm here. Today's agenda includes unboxing April's Boxycharm box. So that's what I'm here to do, okay? So if you're unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription, a monthly beauty subscription box that gets delivered to your door every single month for only $25. Boxycharm actually delivers full-size beauty products, 5 full-size beauty products, and 99% of the time, the items in the box are valued way more than the $25 that you actually pay for the box. So if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll leave my referral link down below so you guys can check it out. But let's go ahead and dive into April's box. Okay, so April's box is labeled the Sweet Treat box, and on the back of this pamphlet it tells me everything that I've received in the box along with the price of everything that comes in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the first item in the box. This is how it looks. Gotta get a thumbnail. This is how it looks. I already took out the bubble wrapping and everything, but this is how it looks. It says hello charma on the bottom of the box. So the first item that I got is coming from Terry de Mars. It is a gel body cleanser. Radition body cleanser is infused with coffee extract, which is an antioxidant, verbena, and aloe vera, which is a moisturizer. The verbena tones, aloe vera is a moisturizer. So this is actually something that I'm pretty interested in. Oh, it smells really good. This is something that I'm pretty interested in trying out. This retails for $22. It's an organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract. So I'm really interested in trying this out. One thing about Boxycharm is they're gonna introduce you to indie brands. They're gonna introduce you to new brands, clean brands, vegan brands that may not be available at your local Sephora or your local Ulta. So you get an opportunity to try new products from different brands, and you might just find a favorite. So I'm interested in trying out this Terry de Mars body cleanser. Really nice, and it contains 150 milliliters. I like this. The next item that I got in my Boxycharm box is this Tinted Moisturizer cream formulated with hyaluronic acid, and is coming from the brand Studio Makeup. I've never heard about Studio Makeup in the past, neither have I heard of Terry de Mars, but this tinted moisturizer retails for $35, and it's a tinted moisturizer with light to medium coverage formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skincare benefits with lightweight coverage and a glowy look. The only thing I'm realizing here is that there isn't a color on here, so I'm kind of confused. So I'm not really sure if this is even going to match me because I can't like look it up online to see what color is in here. So that's interesting. I'm not gonna open this because this might just be in a giveaway because I have a lot of foundation products. I really don't need this, and I don't want to harbor stuff that I don't need. I'd rather give it to one of my subbies, one of my lovely supporters. We'll note that when you do sign up for Boxycharm, they ask you a lot of different questions, product preferences and stuff like that. So they probably sent me a foundation or a tinted moisturizer that's close to my skin tone, because you do fill certain stuff out on the actual website so that they can send you items that are geared to your skin tone, geared to your body type, and geared to your personal preferences. It might match me accurately, or it might be pretty close, if that makes sense. So this is the tinted moisturizer, and this retails for $35 if I haven't already said it. The next thing that I got in my Boxycharm box is this Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculping Lipstick. It is the color Greenwich Street Berry. This is what it looks like. This is another product that I probably won't be keeping because I have so many lipsticks, so many lip products. If you know, you know. If you're OG Triple SG Stush Gang. And this retails for $21. I'm assuming it's a berry because it says Greenwood Street Berry, but let's just see if it's a deep plum or if it's a bright purple. And I'm familiar with the brand Laura Geller. The highlighter that I'm wearing today is actually from Laura Geller. So let's see. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So it's almost like a pinky purple. So this is also probably going to be in a giveaway because I don't need it, honey. I don't need it. The next product that was sent in my Boxycharm box for the month of April is coming from Eloise Beauty. It is their Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. And it is a non-sticky and lightweight illuminizer that can be applied to all areas on the face and body for a dazzling buildable glow. It is a transfer-proof formula that is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. It retails for 38 Zolas, okay? So this is another product that I'm probably going to be gifting. I'm going to be putting in a giveaway, which is coming very, very soon as we touch 5K. So if you're here and you haven't subscribed, sis, make sure you subscribe down below. It is the color Champagne Rich. I'm assuming that it's either going to be a rose gold or just a true gold color. I'll go ahead and pull up a picture just so you guys can see what it looks like. Hang on. Eloise Champagne Glow. It's a true gold. It's a true gold color. That's what it's given. So it's very much prepping us for summer. Definitely prepping us to get our natural glow on. And the last thing was actually a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. It is the Ayana eyeshadow palette. This is what it comes in. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Let's hope nothing is broken. Usually nothing is broken. Oh yeah, it's not broken. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow palette is looking like, giving us a lot of cools, a lot of neutrals. I kind of expected something a little bit more vibrant for the spring, being that, you know, we are in the spring season. I feel like this is giving winter / fall, so I don't know. I also have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so I don't know if I'm going to be actually keeping this. I'm not even going to open it up because I know I'm not going to be keeping it. But again, this is what it looks like. Natasha Denona's shadows are really, really nice. They're usually very expensive as well. This retails for $48. $48. You've already covered the cost of your Boxycharm box in addition to all the other products that you get. So I'm going to put this back in the box because I'm not going to keep this either. But just like all my other Boxycharm videos, now's the time for me to total everything in the box, tell you guys how much the entire box is worth, even though we paid $25. So let's go ahead and do just that. 48 plus 35 plus 38 plus 21 plus 22. All 5 products come up to $164. $164. We only paid $25 for the box, so I feel like that's a bang for my buck. I don't know about you, but I feel like that's a bang for my buck. Again, I'm really excited about trying this shower gel out. This is the only product that I'm actually going to be keeping. All the other products are going to be gifted very, very soon on my channel. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because you can't win a giveaway if you're not subscribed. Ooh, that just don't work. It don't work. Okay, that's all I have for you guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my April Boxycharm box. Remember, if you guys would like to check out Boxycharm, I'll leave my referral link down below so that you guys can sign up. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up down below, subscribe down below so that way you can join the Stush Gang, and make sure you also turn on your post notifications so that way you're alerted whenever I upload the next Boxycharm unboxing video for you guys on my channel. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for checking in for today's video, and until next time, till next video, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys.